Welcome to another video on pranayama. In this series, we are looking at different types of pranayama. In this video, we'll be looking at the retention of the inhalation, or antara kumbhaka. The definition pranayama from Desikachara Heart of Yoga here in the sutras, Sutra 2.5, is what are the components of pranayama? It involves the regulation of the exhalation, the inhalation, and the suspension of breath. Join me for a practical exploration of retaining the inhale. Suspend the breath at the top. So inhaling, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Suspend the breath, hold the breath in. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Again, inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Exhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Continuing. Inhale, mentally counting. Hold. Exhale. And continuing. Last round. Inhale, slowing it down if you're able. And slowly coming back. So that is breath retention, inhale, kumbhaka, at the top of the breath. And you can count it verbally. Om 1, Om 2 is nice. You can, or just count 1, 2. It can be then prolonged. So to 8, 10, do what's right for you. They are strong practices. And often people underestimate when they first start doing these pranayama practices. They do maybe too much for them, or they can sometimes feel ungrounded. So my advice would be to go slowly. They're very powerful and they're very potent. And sit with a practice. So maybe the inhale, kumbhaka, is more for energizing. So that's more kind of morning time, midday, if you're feeling a bit sluggish. The flip side of that is the breath retention on the exhale. That's more to lower or calm down. So maybe it's before sleep. You might notice you do that anyway when you're in the state of yoga nidra. You're inhaling, you're exhaling, and there's a really long pause just naturally where your breath is out. Almost the breathless state, the yogis call that. Really to slow that down. And that is wonderful for anxiety and stress management and before sleep. So you can see how pranayama actually becomes very therapeutic. You can use them in different ways. So maybe like a morning class, you're doing more breath retentions on the inhale. Maybe an evening class, a yin class, you're doing breath retention on the exhale. Okay, practice that. Give yourself, make it a daily practice, I would recommend, for a week. Choose, your pranayama and practice that for a week. And over time, you'll get more and more sensitive to it. The air, the movement of the air, the belly, everything becomes just this wonderful, intimate practice to sit with your own breath. Pranayama is such a great practice. So enjoy practicing that. the Kumbhaka breath retention on inhale, and then the opposite would be the exhale.